Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you? Okay, please turn off your microphone. Turn off your microphone. Turn
Okay,
off.
ma'am.
So, before we start our lesson today, I asked Floba Mora can lead us in prayer. Floba, please.
Ya. Marilah kita berdoa dalam Bapa. Ya Tuhan Yesus, terima kasih atas cinta-Mu yang besar kepada kami. Kami bersyukur karena Engkau masih memberi kami nafas kehidupan. Kami mohon berkatilah kami hari ini, agar kegiatan kami hari ini dapat berjalan dengan lancar sesuai dengan kehendak-Mu. Nama-Mu kami puji kini dan sepanjang masa.
Amin.
Dalam nama Bapa.
Thank you, Floba. Thank you, Floba. So,
Welcome.
okay. So guys, today we are going to learn about vocabulary. Ada yang tahu apa itu vocabulary? Kalau yang tahu kasih nyala mikrofonnya dan bisa menjawab. Ada yang tahu apa itu vocabulary?
Ayam, kata-kata.
Okay, thank you Yumiko Senda. So guys, can you see the material? Apa bisa lihat materi ini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes.
How about others? Ada yang bisa lihat?
Yes.
I hope for all of them turn on your camera. Okay? Okay. Our lesson today is about vocabulary and our lesson is bahasa Inggris atau English language. So the first one is about competency standards. Competency standard is the ability to memorize the vocabulary and say it with proper pronunciation. Yang artinya kemampuan untuk mengingat kosakata atau menghafal kosakata dan mengucapkannya dengan pengucapan yang tepat. Next, basic competence. Getting to know the regular verb and irregular verb. Mengenal kata kerja beraturan dan tidak beraturan. And then the indicator is memorize the vocabulary and then knowing the regular verb and irregular verb. Jadi indikatornya adalah menghafal kosakata dan mengetahui kata kerja beraturan dan kata kerja tidak beraturan. Do you get the point? Ada yang mengerti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Deva, can you repeat after me, please? Ulangi setelah saya. Getting to know the regular verb and irregular verb. Delvan Bete. Getting to know the regular verb and irregular verb. Johannes Brekman, turn off your microphone.
Yes.
Delvan Bete.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Juliana Yunita City.
Yes, ma'am.
Kau dari room. Delvan.
Yes.
Read this one. Quickly.
Getting to know the regular verb and irregular verb.
Okay, good. And then next, the learning objective is the students are able to memorize the vocabulary. Edan Floba and their friends, Edan Floba, Yerlin Bembe, and Aprikal Puspita. Read this one, please. Yerlin, the first one is for Yerlin. After that, April, and then Leon. Yerlin, can you hear me? Yerlin, read this one.
Yes, ma'am.
The students are able to memorize the vocabulary. Read. Membacakan kembali apa yang saya katakan. Ini yang sudah di blog ini. The students are able to memorize the vocabulary.
The student are able to memorize the vocabulary.
Okay, good. April. Siapa? Leon.
The student.
The second line. Leon, please read. The students are able to know the regular verb and irregular verb.
The student
Are
able to know
able to
know the regular verb and irregular verb.
and regular way in regular way.
So the teaching material is next. Teaching material is vocabulary, hangout, script, dictionary, board markers, and different real-life objects and video. The method we are going to use the practice. Nanti kalian akan mempraktekkan kalian punya regular and irregular verb, and then memorize alias menghafal. And then presentation. Presentation berarti with your partner. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Aims. Ada yang tahu apa itu aims?
Aims adalah tujuan.
Okay, good. Kata lain dari aims?
Goals, purpose.
Okay, good. What is your name?
My name is Mariano Vitanora.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Novita Nora. Okay. The first aim is students will be able to understand the regular and irregular verb. Tujuan pertamanya ini, students mampu memahami kata kerja beraturan dan kata kerja tidak beraturan. Ini translate-nya. Yang kedua, students will be able to memorize the regular and irregular verb. Siswa dapat menghafal regular verb dan irregular verb. And the third, students will be able to practice in their life. Siswa dapat mempraktekkan dalam kehidupan nyata. And the fourth is, students will be able to putting the verb into correct sentence. Siswa dapat menempatkan kata kerja yang pada kalimat yang benar. And the last is, students will be able to pronounce the verb. Siswa dapat mengucapkan kata kerja. Selanjutnya, any questions? Ada pertanyaan about this material, tentang materi ini? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
No, ma'am.
Before I give you a segment or text, I will call your name one by one or absence. So the first is Petrus Flobamora Jr. You can answer present mom, all of them. You can answer the present mom. If I call your name, ketika saya memanggil nama kalian, you can answer present mom. Itu artinya hadir. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The first one is Petrus Flobamora Jr.
Present, ma'am.
Johannes Bregman Sleja.
Present, ma'am.
Delvan Bete.
Present, ma'am.
Leon Loba.
Present, ma'am.
Unita City.
Present, ma'am.
Novita Nora,
Present, ma'am.
Yumiko Senda,
Present, ma'am.
and the last is, oh no, Aprika Puspita Dale,
Present, ma'am.
and the last is Yerlin Bembe.
Present, ma'am.
Ada yang belum saya panggil?
Rasmi.
Oh, sorry. What is your name? Your full name?
CP.
Nisya Sipi. Okay. The rules is saya akan membagikan kalian ke dalam two parts with your friends. So I will call your name with your partner, and then after that you find out the regular verb and irregular verb. After that you can presentation in this room. Kalian bisa presentasikan, kalian punya pekerjaan, kalian punya tugas di dalam ruangan Zoom ini, but I only give you 2 minutes more. Hanya 2 menit saya berikan waktu all of you, so you and with your partner you can find out the regular verb and irregular verb only 4 words. Only for vocabulary. Verb, no, I'm wrong, sorry. Only for verb, just 4. Jadi hanya 4 kata kerja, bukan lebih. So you can read, misalkan, for example, I will give you example before you find out your text. So, for example, regular verb, kata kerja beraturan, kata play, bermain. So, just word plays, nanti kalian mention kata kerja beraturannya, so menjadi 3 kata dengan dia punya apa? Dengan dia punya apa?
Terjemahan.
Good. So, kata kerja dengan terjemahannya. After that, semuanya di memorize. You know memorize? Menghafal. You know memorize? Menghafal atau mengingat. And then the second one is you can prepare your pronunciation while you make a presentation. Kalau sementara presentasi, your pronunciation, penyebutannya, kata itu tidak boleh salah. Okay, I will give you, saya akan membagikan kelompok. The first one is Aldo with Novita Nora, Yerlin with Leon, Yumiko with Aprikal, and then Rasmi with Delvan, and the last one is Flo Bamora with Unita City. Start from now, you can find out and prepare your text. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There's only 2 minutes. Hanya 2 menit. Ketika saya membuka, menyapa kembali, kalian bisa, dan saya memanggil. Kan yesterday kita sudah menyiapkan mulai dari kelompok pertama. Jadi kelompok pertama langsung presentasi. Who is the group 1? Who is the group 1? Novita Nora, can you hear me? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is group 1? Aldo.
I with Aldo.
Okay, group 2. Group 2. Where is group 2? Siapa grup kedua?
Yerlin.
Who's your partner? Who is your partner? Siapa temanmu?
Lian Loba.
The third, ketiga, kelompok ketiga siapa?
I with Aprikal.
4. 4. 4 siapa? Grup 4. Grup 4. Okay, good. 5.
I Rasni.
Group.
Foto.
I will University.
Okay, good.
I will University.
Okay, good. So, Leon Loba, turn off your microphone, Leon Loba. Rasmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kita langsung saja for group 1. You can percentage your regular verb and irregular verb with good pronunciation. Okay? And then tidak diizinkan untuk melihat ke buku dan tidak pakai nyontek. Good pronunciation, okay? Okay, the first one, group 1. Who is? Aldo, Johannes Jackman Sleja. You can percentage
Yes.
your regular verb.
Regular verb.
Serius. Okay.
8 menambah. Bake memegang. Call memanggil. Die mati.
Thank you, Aldo. Thank you, Aldo.
You're welcome.
Okay, good. Turn off your microphone. Turn off. Okay. Next one, Novita Nora.
Now I want to present my irregular verb. Began, begin, began, mulai, choose, chosen, memilih, cut, memotong, do, did, don't, melakukan. Thank you.
Ulang. Terakhir.
The irregular
Yang terakhir.
Aldo. Melakukan.
Aldo, turn off your microphone, please. Okay, good. Group 2. Who is group 2? Kelompok kedua, who is? Group 2.
Regular. Regular verb. X bertanya. At menyerang. Damage merusak. Play bermain. Thank you.
Next.
Irregular verbs. Be, was, were, been. Ada, come, datang. Draw, menggambar. Fly, terbang. Thank you.
No, fly, flee, flown.
Fly, flee, flow.
Artinya?
Terbang.
Okay, good. Group 3. Kelompok ketiga, cepat. Quickly. Who is group 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Regular verb. Who is regular verb?
Ini, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Good. What is your name?
My name is Yumiko Senda.
Okay, read. Regular verb. Read the regular verb. Yumiko, please.
Regular verb. Rain.
Serius. Artinya? Cepat.
Regular verb. Rain, hujan. Push it, mendorong. Pardon, memaafkan. Order, memesan.
Okay, next. Irregular verb. Who is irregular verb?
Bled, berdarah. Fall, fell, fallen. Jauh.
No.
Forbid,
salah. Sorry. Fall, fell, fallen itu jatuh, bukan jauh.
Oh,
No.
jatuh.
Okay, next.
Forbidding, melayang, hit,
Salah,
memukul.
sorry. Melarang, melarang.
Forbidding,
Melarang.
melarang, hit, memukul.
Okay, thank you. Next, group 4. Who is group 4? Turn off your microphone, Leon Loba, please. Who is group 4? Delphan and
Me, ma'am.
Rasni. Okay, regular verb. Rasni, Delphan, quickly.
Save, menabung. Slow, memelankan. Relax, bersantai. Not, mencatat.
Irregular verb.
Pick, vote, bertarung, forecast, forget, meramalkan, give, given, memberi, have, had, memiliki.
Thank you, Rasni. The last group is Loba, Mora, and Yunita. Regular verb. Who is regular? Siapa yang regular?
Saya, Ma'am.
Okay, good.
Stop. Berhenti. Stress. Menekan. Use. Memakai. Yell, bersorak.
Okay. Yunita City. You're the last.
Breed, artinya memelihara. Birds, meledak atau pecah. Cost, atau membiayai. Dig, menggayung.
Menggali. Oke. Semuanya sudah?
Yes, Ma'am.
Oke. Jadi ada yang mengerti? Ada yang tidak mengerti? Bisa memberikan pertanyaan.
Mengerti, Ma'am.
Oke. So, the conclusion about this material today. Jadi, dalam pembahasan kata kerja atau verb secara lengkap, ada verb yang beraturan dan ada juga yang tidak. Untuk mengetahui kata kerja beraturan itu, belakangnya ed, itu dengan cepat Anda menebak kalau itu kata kerja beraturan. Di akhir kata ada ed. Untuk tidak beraturan atau irregular, kata kerja yang tidak beraturan adalah kata kerja yang tidak mengikuti aturan penulisan di atas. Susah ditebak serta perlu penguasaan kata per kata. So, I think our material today, that's all. And then I hope you can enjoy this material with me, and I hope you can understand what I explained about vocabulary. So that's all, guys. I ask for someone to lead us in prayer to closing our lesson today. Delphan? Delphan? Are you there, Delphan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lead us in prayer. Delphan, berdoa. Leon Loba.
Ma'am, dia tidak tahu.
Hail Mary, gak apa-apa. Berdoa aja. Quickly, our time Let's pray. Leon Luba. Okay.
Marilah kita berdoa dalam nama Bapa.
Amin.
Salam Maria.
Salam Maria, penuh rahmat Tuhan sertamu. Pujilah engkau di
Santa Maria Bunda Allah, doakanlah kami.
Terpujilah.
Yang
Amin. Bapak. So, okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Leon. So, before you leave this room, I will take your picture. Foto-foto kalian semua. Please wait for a few minutes. Yes. Okay, thank you guys. Terima kasih atas kerjasamanya.
You are welcome.
Coba Leon semuanya mau mengganggu waktu kalian. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.